sounds clearer, just say in the comments. I don't know what to do, but hey, I can do Clash of Clans. I'm not that strong at this game because I deleted it. Nice. You won't actually hear me when this kind of good. Cool. Wait, is there? Yes. God dang it, nigga. Builder's not. We need this. Yes. I need all of you. Yes, guards. Need more guard. Magic. Get. Attack doesn't affect the shield. Continue, I guess. I don't get reward. I thought it'd go up, man. What the hell? Let's fight for the war. Let's go. 20 man in 2027. Let's do it. I don't know how to get him. Attack! Yeah! Take them aside. Here let's go attack! We need to attack them! Let's go! All of them are crap. Let's go, more coins. 2 more, 1 more. Attack! They're gone! Attack all the city! Let's go! Ada na, everybody na, don't me. We attack before them. Claim. Let's do this. 1,000 still? You know what? Fuck everything. We just need this. Kill or be killed. Let's. No! Destroy the fucking city! Let's go! Nobody will survive from our demise. Yes! Turn home. Sir, we have more attack. Rebuild the clan castle. What? What the hell is a clan castle? First, we need to attack again. Attack! Where's the... We don't have no fucking defense. friends around here, motherfuckers. So they build a lot of things. So that's super awesome. Kill everybody, motherfuckers. We're invincible. I swear. Yeah. We build a lot of things, but we don't care. Yeah. Nobody can stop us now, mother freakers. Yes, sir. We need more. We need more. Kill those niggas. Let's go. Eat some gold. We eat some gold. Let's go. Nobody really. Why did you build like that? Some niggas. Oh no. Thank you for that, motherfuckers. And buttons. And at least I still have a lot, right guys? Like, hey, I don't get mad. I will eat you again. Bro, this is fucking slow, motherfuckers. This is pathetic. You only have one cannon. You only have one cannon. You dickhead! Bro, you must be dumb as fuck, bro. What the hell are you doing? Only one turret? It's like you already died. It's like dying on a noob with a noob with a noob. Now can I fucking... upgrade shit. Oh no, I'm full.
Anong kuya mo?
One. Tapos na ako maligo.
Tapos siya maligo? Kumain na.
Nangulam. Bye bye.